Discover how you can prevent age-related diseases and start living a healthier life today. Say goodbye to weight loss gimmicks and hello to real, sustainable health. If you answered yes, then you are in danger of serious health risks. You are at risk of developing life-threatening conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Your body isn't the same as it was at 20. It's time to take charge of your health. Stop sabotaging your health with poor choices. Start your journey to a healthier you today. Imagine feeling better, losing weight, and reversing your body clock with a simple, effective program. With this 8-part training course, you'll learn how to enjoy delicious, wholesome foods and live a long, healthy life. This course isn't just about weight loss, it's about transforming your life. Enjoy delicious meals using everyday groceries without breaking the bank. These bonuses will help you track your progress and visualize your journey to better health. For a limited time, get the entire package for just $17 and start your transformation today. There's zero risk. If you're not satisfied within 30 days, get a full refund, no questions asked. Don't wait. Click the button below to reclaim your health and start living the life you deserve.